All right, what we got here is a prototype mobile party kit. Got the 8-foot by 8-foot canopy. It actually stands taller. I have it in the lower position so it could fit in my house. Got the party light. This Bose speaker sounds amazing. It's super loud, good bass. Got the tip jar, laptop, controller. Everything is running off of this portable power bank. No generators. Everything's low voltage. Everything you see running right now is only drawing 47 watts. And keep in mind, the speaker uses its own battery source, so it doesn't pull off of that guy. Also, the mobile grill kit. Got the cooler bag. All the tools and stuff are in the top lid. Ash/charcoal carrier. Yeah, and my little portable folding grill and a special mat there so I can put it on the ground without worried about burning anything. I've got weights on the feet. And yeah, you might have saw the mini globes too. Purple looks really nice. I can change them to any color I want, but yeah, purple and black, the whole look is like awesome. Anyway, in those boxes, I've got the trailer and the chair. And yeah, gonna unbox that stuff, and then I'm gonna see and inventory everything that I need for the whole kit, and then try and figure out the most optimal way to pack it on the trailer. And then it's time to take it on location and test it out. So, pretty cool. I think it looks pretty pro myself. Yeah, dude.